Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. Happy New Year. It's the 2nd of January, 2023. And in this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a LinkTree style alternative, a landing page for your therapy practice, for your, mindfulness based business, for whatever it is that you're doing in the world and you want a inexpensive, really affordable way of publishing to the web, profile pages, landing pages, and much more. Here is, we're in craft.do. Craft is a Notion style alternative that also doubles as a fantastic web publishing tool. Most folks are using this for documents, for writing, for journaling, for doing things like that. But you can also publish all of your craft documents to the web. And it's really a phenomenal way of creating these Linktree style pages. So really all you're going to do here is go to the top and click on this link. And you can see this is actually a live URL right now in the world. I could put this on my own domain if I wanted as well. But in this case, you just have this live Linktree style alternative. All these obviously are links. I don't know where that goes. That goes there. This is obviously just a template. I'm going to show you in a second how to do it. So let's go back. You can also, by the way, add links very easily. There's a lot of ways of doing this, but in this case, we just want to add a block and then paste in a link. Here's a link to our course community. And you can see if I go back up here, that link is already automatically available. And if you click on that, here we are at our course community. All right, so let's go back really quickly into Craft. And let's see, we'll go to Home. And we're going to very simply look at templates. Just going to plug in resume. This is going to bring up actually a different template than the one you just saw. But the same basic idea. This is a resume. And the same rules apply. Again, there are many ways to insert blocks, but we'll just do it this way for the time being. And there's that same link again, which is copied to my clipboard. We're going to share this. Now, you can also export these as PDFs, as images, Markdown, etc., which is great for physical copies. But in this case, we're just going to create a shareable link on the web. We're going to click this button here, and all of a sudden, you have a live website with your resume published through Craft. All right, you can take this watermark out very simply by going to Advanced Options, turning that off there. You can turn the author off here. There's all sorts of other ways that you can customize this, but it's a really elegant solution. Highly recommend it. You can turn on search engine indexing, which will be good for traffic. Lots of cool and creative ways of using Craft to publish content. If you're a professional, a therapist, a doctor, a life coach, there's tons and tons and tons of different templates. And these are really ideal for promoting on social media as well. I encourage you, if you're a therapy professional, mindfulness-based professional, mental health counselor, a psychologist, a doctor, whatever it is that you do in the world, if you're working in the mental health realm, we have a whole slew of courses for mental health professionals in 2023 for brand building, for ethical marketing strategies. And I encourage you to join us. You can check out the link in the bio box below. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you as always for watching, and have a wonderful day.